Hi everyone, welcome in board class for class 10th mathematics. According to the RBSc syllabus, the first chapter is Vedic mathematics. It may contain 4 marks and the topic for 4 marks given in your syllabus. One is multiply, divide, solve algebraic expression, square or cube. In multiply, 4 topics given. One is एकाधिक and पूर्वेण. Another method, एक न्यूनन पूर्वेण. Third method, निखिलम, and fourth method is द्रवतिर्यम्बम. First of all, we will solve some questions of the multiplication. See, first topic is एकाधिकेन पूर्वेण. Multiply by एकाधिकेन पूर्वेण. It is of a 1 marks. From chapter 1, multiply by एकाधिकेन पूर्वेण method. You have to apply the method of एकाधिकेन पूर्वेण in those numbers which unit digit, sum of the unit digit. Rules for it: sum of unit digit must be 1, 10, 100 or 1000 etc. See numbers. If you want to multiply 43 into 47. Now see here. We are multiplying by एकाधिकेन पूर्वेण, 1 marks question. These are called unit digit or ones place digit. Sum of these digits must be 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. If the sum of the unit digit is 1, 10 or 100, at that time you have to apply the formula of एकाधिकेन पूर्वेण Vedic mathematics. See, एकाधिकेन means plus 1 in same digit. 4 into 5, 4 multiply by एकाधिकेन means add 1 in next digit. 4 multiply by 5 dash 3 multiply by 7. 5 4s are 20, 3 7s are 21. Means answer is 2021. This is 2 digit number. If you want to multiply 3 digit number, now see here. If you want to multiply 103 into 107, same digit, 10 10, unit digit, 3 7, 3 plus 7 is again 10, means 10 into 11 dash 3 into 7 is equal to 11 tens are 110 dash 3 sevens are 21, means answer 11021. Okay, if you want to multiply some fractions like this, 5 into 1 upon 3 multiply by 5 into 2 upon 3. Same digit are 5 5 and unit digit are 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. Sum of 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 means 3 upon 3 1. If the sum of the unit digit is 1, 10 or 100, at that time you have to multiply the method of the Vedic of एकाधिकेन पूर्वेण. Means 5 into 6 dash 1 upon 3 multiply by 2 upon 3. Okay, 6 5s are 30 dash 2 1s are 2, 3 3s are 9. The answer is 30 and 2 upon 9. This is next fraction. Okay, by this tricks, in the Vedic mathematics you have to apply the एकाधिकेन पूर्वेण. Second multiplication by एक न्यूनन पूर्वेण. This is the multiply by biggest digit number. Now एक न्यूनन पूर्वेण. एक न्यूनन पूर्वेण means न्यूनन in Hindi word means -1. Okay, in एकाधिकेन +1, in एक न्यूनन -1. See example, If you want to multiply 4, 5, 6 into 9, 9, 9, 9. See, subtract 1 from first number means 4, 5, 6 minus 1. How much remaining? 4, 5, 5. Subtract from last digit. 9, 9, 9, 9 minus 4, 5, 5. 4, 5, 5. Now see, 4, 5, 5. 9, 9, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 4, 5, 5. The remaining 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 4, 5, the remaining 9, 5, 5 and 4. This method is applied for biggest digit numbers. If you want to multiply any number with biggest digit number, at that time you have to apply the formula of ek Newman Purvan. This is second trick in your syllabus. Now third trick, how to multiply by Nikhilam. How to multiply by Nikhilam. By Aadhar and Upadhar method. In English, if we say nowadays we are using base and sub-base. Okay. Base is always 1, 10 or 100. Sub-base means if on the place of 1, if 2, 3, 4, etc. digits come, these digits are called sub-base. Always remember. Base is must be of 1, 10 or 100 or 1000 etc. Sub-base more than one digit is called sub-base. Now see, if you want to multiply 53 into 54. First, we solved multiplication by Ekadikpayan Purvan. The rules for that, the unit digit must, sum of the unit digit must be 1, 10 or 100. But here is not 10. 3 plus 4 is 7. So we cannot apply the formula of Ekadikpayan Purvan. We use the Nikhilam formula. See hints for it. Base is below the 90. Below 90 numbers always have base of 10. Base is 10. Now sub-base, on the place of 1 it is 5. So sub-base is 5. So number become 5 10 ja 50. So deviation. What is deviation? Deviation means any number subtracted from given number, the remainder is called deviation. Write like this: 53, 54. 53 minus 50, deviation is plus 3. 54 minus 50, deviation is 4. Add this one. See here, if sub-base, if you are solving by Nikhilam method of sub-base, write sub-base here 5, 53 plus 4 and 3 4 that 12. See here, 53 plus 4, 57. 57 multiplied by 5. 7 5s are 35. 5 3 carried. 5 5s are 25 and 28. 2 8 5 dash 3 4 are 12. Now see, if in the base 10%, that means you have to put one digit here and 1 to next column. 2, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, 8, 2 is answer. Same way, if you want to multiply by Udharva Tiryambham, by method of Udharva Tiryambham. Multiplied by Udharva Tiryambham. In the Hindi, I use ulta pulta, any number, any digits given. If you want to multiply 2, 3, 4 into 4, 3, 2, all are separate digits. You will not apply here Ekadik and Ek Newman or Nikhilam. You will apply here formula of Vedic Udharva Tiryambham. Make the column 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Now see. 2 4 जा 8 dash, next column cross multiply, 3 2 जा 6 plus 4 3 जा 12. Now 3 column, 2 2 जा cross multiply like this, 2 2 जा 4, 4 4 जा 16 and 3 3 जा 9. Now turn for this column, 3 2 जा 6, 3 4 जा 12. Now last column, 4 2 जा 8. Add all things, 8 6 plus 12 18, 16 and 9 25 plus 4 29, 6 and 12 18 and 8. Single digit here, so write 8 here, again 8 here, 1 and 9 0, 1 carried, 2 and 1 3, 3 plus 8 is 11, 1 carried, 1 and 1 2, 2 and 8 10 is answer. This formula used for Udarva-Tirayambam method. For multiplication method I have shown today. One is of Ekadik and Purvain, one is of Eknun and Purvain, and third is of Nikhilam, and fourth is of Udarva-Tirayambam method. For today's homework I am giving you to solve these questions by 4 method. Classwork. Question first, multiply by Ekadik and Purvain. Question second, multiply by Eknun. Question third, multiply by Nikhilam. Question 4, multiply by Udarva-Tirayambam. Okay, now see these questions and solve for next period.